ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kertong kaseng Kongres banyakun ya ka MP election na tura seat. Saleng sangma, badairu MLA ka gambe gre ulapan pau ba shwa ka election, jukular AA ya ki pajba. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor, saleng ulaong badai ki pajba ki balapan kre, bat mau, usuan ban terway ala di sya ki pajba. Bat lada ki syem ba udai ba biang, ay ba ki pajba kin syem ya karai. Shushu saleng ulaong babaro kilayo I badon sibun ki bedang hab ban penkela. Bat kum ganuk saha Garo Hills omdon yaki IAS officer, omdon ru yaki hair officer. Bat kini ki degi jing kumta Donkam bha ban penkela. Kamtam hakaliang jong katanat pule puthi.
It's the people who has been preparing for more than a decade. Me, I'm just offering myself for the people. If people think I'm the right choice, let them make a difference. Depending on whether I'll be in the government or not government, depending on that only I can, make a promises in the days to come. Right now, before election, I don't want to make promises, and I don't make promises before the election. But you have seen lots of things that needed to be said about change, and like for example. In Garo Hills, we don't have much of the, especially in the education sector. We don't have IS officers, we don't have bureaucrats. Likewise, so we have a plan to make sure that we make a change, especially in the education sector. And another one is the health sector and tertiary sector, that is the primary sector, that is the farmers and all. Now we've got lots of potential to make a differences, huge differences. Our people are, especially our Garo Hills is very rich in flora and fauna, so we could take advantage of that one and do some, good. If we can create a good marketing, especially for the farmers, they will grow like anything. We might not need even subsidies in the days to come if we do it in a correct manner. Right now, we have seen what the BJP is doing to the people of the country. Now look at Uttarakhand. After UCC, they're pressuring not only one community, all the other religion also, even the community also. So the country looking after the multi-diversity cannot press on one idealism. So you cannot force the people to follow that particular, idealistic movement is totally wrong, especially in a diverse country like India. We've got hundreds and thousands of different community, different tribes. So it's wrong on the part of the BJP and the RSS to press, and then even wrong on the part of all those who are supporting the BJP. Likewise. So they should back out if they really wanted to make a change, a difference. Suppose if, if they are liberal, if they think about the secularism, they should pull out from the BJP. Why they're scared? Now, for example, in Meghalaya also, we are still snubbed with the BJP, whereas we have only 2 BJP MLAs. But they have to be with the BJP because they have supported the CAA. So all those wise, which is wrong. It's the people who will decide. Okay? If the people decision is right, if the people decision is wrong, if the people think their leader is absolute, it'll be. If they think the people's leaders is good, it'll be. So after all, it's the people's choice only. So you cannot say it's the party which is insignificant. I represent Congress, of course, but it's not a party, it's me. I will be representing the whole Garo Hills. So you just cannot put the blame in one single party or maybe other parties also. I don't want to blame any party. I don't want to blame NPP. I don't want to blame Congress, TMC like that. Since I'm representing Garo Hills, it will be the people's choice only. So insignificant doesn't come up. Does not arise out here. People have to take responsibility of what is happening within our country. It is not just a party. Any party will try to, pushed and bulldozed. But since it's already the election year, they should know how to think properly. If the people wants the same, it will be the BJP. If the people wants to make a difference, definitely they will vote against the BJP. And then they will definitely vote against those who are supporting the BJP. Likewise. Now people has to take responsibility. We just cannot blame any party for it. Now BJP has the upper hand, so they're doing it. Now people from all over the country, they are seeing it. Now, for example, even in Assam, they're pressuring the churches, the schools, all those things. After seeing these things, if the people doesn't realize and still vote for BJP and those who are supporting BJP, then the rub will come to the people themselves. So I and you alone or party alone cannot make a whole difference, because it's the people and the people will decide. You're talking about my election. Now see, I'm for the people. I'm for the Garo Hills. I'm not against any party, but I'm representing Congress, no doubt about it. But for the Garo Hills, I will represent the whole Garo Hills. Not only the Congress, I will represent the people who are living in the Garo Hills. It can be TMC, it can be NPP also. You see? So I cannot deny the fact that only Congress will vote, or only NPP will vote, or only TMC will vote. But since I'm representing Garo Hills, it will be the people of the Garo Hills who will vote for me. So it will be the people's choice.